Hello guys! Good afternoon! Ito guys yung order natin sa Shein. Buksan na natin. Mga collection natin guys. Ayan. Buksan natin guys. Wow! Ang dami. Ayan guys. Cellphone, accessories, casing, cellphone, iPhone 16 Pro Max, watch. Ayan guys yung watch na green. Ayan. Nice casing again with personalized pictures and name at yun yung holder ng iPhone. And this one is a bracelet, I think set. Wow, iPhone casing with magnetic. And then this one is also for watch. And this one is set green color accessories, red color accessories. Ayan guys. Yan guys yung holder ng mga phone accessories din. So yan guys. Next, buksan naman natin guys. Yan yung iPhone na blue na casing. Meron siyang lagayan ng card sa likod. And then yan guys naman yung mirror ng camera. So meron tayong na order na ganyan with glitters. So, ito naman guys also is casing. Casing naman siya guys with with magnetic. Kung lalagyan mo siya ng mag-charge kayo ng magnetic. And this one is pouch. Kasi bumili tayo ng holder pag gusto natin ilagay o isabit yung ating phone. So, ayan guys yung holder ng phone. So, ikakabit lang natin siya dyan, and then lagyan lang natin siya ng wallet. Kung lalagyan mo ng card, pwede rin siya. So, holder with card. So, ayan naman guys. Next natin bubuksan is casing pa rin, syempre, na with personalized picture me and my name, of course, Jen. And then, ito din guys, ang maganda dito, very handy. So, meron siyang strap na pwede mo siyang isabit. So, ito din guys, again, casing na naman. So, siya lang iPhone 16 Pro Max, madami siyang casing. So, green color is my favorite. So, ayan guys, green color na naman. So, ayan guys, with green. Green also na protection ng camera sa likod. At ito naman guys, I think accessories din siya. With earrings, necklace. Yeah, same color. Yes. Yan guys. Accessories siya. So, ito naman watch. Red color na watch. Malapit ng Chinese New Year. So, ayan guys ang watch. Red color. Yan. Next guys, ito naman ang bubuksan ulit natin. What color of this? I think this is white color na watch. Yeah. Ito yung white color na watch din. So, ideal siya pag naka-white kayo, naka-dress, or naka-pants. So, suitable po yan. So, yan. Next naman, ito is set na for Chinese New Year na earrings and necklace. Ayan, then 2 packs. 2 sets. So, pinili natin yung green naman with bangles. Set pa rin yan guys. And ito yung holder ng phone. Pag gusto mo siyang lagyan ng pasabit. Yeah. And of course, this is the last one. I think green color na watch. My favorite color. Yay! Thanks for watching. See you next video.